Hey there, Wheels 4 Drive family. Today we've got something exciting to talk about, something that's going to stir up the SUV world in a big way. Picture this: power, luxury, and practicality all rolled into one rugged yet refined package. If you've been waiting for the next big thing in family SUVs that doesn't sacrifice its truck roots, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the all-new third generation 2025 Nissan Armada, a beast that has evolved from its hardcore truck beginnings into a sophisticated family-oriented powerhouse. But make no mistake, this beauty still has all the muscle to take you on those off-road adventures while offering the comfort and convenience your family craves. Now, we know the SUV market is crowded, with options left and right, but Nissan, they've just turned things up a notch. The 2025 Armada is bolder, smarter, and more capable than ever. We're talking about new trims, enhanced features, and a completely overhauled powertrain. It's like Nissan asked, what if we gave drivers the best of both worlds? And then they did just that. From towing capacity to luxury interiors, the new Armada is a force to be reckoned with. Whether you need a reliable family hauler, an adventure-ready SUV, or just a ride that turns heads, this new Armada has something for everyone. But hey, you don't have to take my word for it. Let's break down everything this SUV brings to the table, and by the end, I'm sure you'll be as impressed as I am. So sit tight, grab a snack, and let's dig deep into what makes the 2025 Nissan Armada a game changer in the SUV market. Nissan has given the Armada a full-on transformation for 2025. This isn't just a refresh with a few minor tweaks. This is a whole new generation. The Armada is now bigger, bolder, and packed with tech, but still holds true to its rugged origins. The body-on-frame construction stays, giving it that solid, truck-like durability. But here's where things get interesting. It's not just about toughness anymore. Nissan has clearly thought about how families use these vehicles, and the Armada is now designed to haul your loved ones in style and comfort, while still being capable of towing your boat or camper when the weekend hits. The 2025 Armada is slightly longer, wider, and taller than before, making for a more commanding presence on the road. Nissan didn't hold back when it comes to giving this SUV a bold new look. It's got sharp-cornered headlights with C-shaped LED accents, a grille that channels design cues from Nissan's earliest SUVs. And let's talk about those 22-inch wheels. Even with the bigger size, the wheels still manage to look small under this absolute unit of a vehicle. Every angle of the Armada screams purpose, and we can't help but admire the bold stance it brings. Inside, you'll notice the focus on functionality and luxury, with seating for 7 or 8, depending on whether you go for the bench or captain's chairs. It's clear that Nissan designed this SUV to accommodate families with ease. A lever folds the second row seats and creates a massive entryway into the third row, which is no longer an afterthought. Every passenger, whether in the front or the back, rides in comfort with features like power folding third row seats that make things effortless. We can't talk about the 2025 Armada without mentioning its brand new heart. A twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine. Say goodbye to the 5.6-liter V8 and hello to a more efficient yet just as powerful setup. In the Armada, this V6 puts out 425 horsepower and a whopping 516 pound-feet of torque. And while its sibling, the Infiniti QX80, gets a slight bump in horsepower, you won't notice much difference between the two behind the wheel. That's because the Armada is tuned to run on regular 87-octane fuel, which is a big win for your wallet. But don't worry about performance. It'll still get you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds. Not bad for a nearly 6,000-pound beast, right? This new engine isn't just about power, though. Nissan paired it with a 9-speed automatic transmission, improving efficiency and overall driving refinement. You'll still have the choice between rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and the maximum towing capacity stays at an impressive 8,500 pounds. Whether you're pulling a trailer, a boat, or just packing up for a weekend getaway, the Armada has your back. And for the off-road enthusiasts out there, Nissan hasn't forgotten you. The Pro 4X trim adds some serious capability to the lineup, with features like underbody skid plates, a locking rear differential, and black 20-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. It's built to take on tough terrain, and with a signature 3-slot grille and orange accents, it looks the part too. Step inside the 2025 Nissan Armada, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels both functional and luxurious. Nissan didn't hold back when it came to tech, and it shows. Lower trims get a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen paired with a digital gauge cluster, while higher trims boast dual 14.3-inch displays, the same ones found in the QX80. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 12-speaker Klipsch audio system are all included, but the real tech magic happens with the available camera systems. You get views like a simulated transparent hood or a wide angle from the grille-mounted camera, which can display across both screens. It's not just about seeing the road, it's about seeing it from every angle. There's even a built-in dash cam and a selfie camera in the cabin. Yes, you heard that right, a selfie camera. Nissan is making sure you capture all those road trip memories, no matter where you're sitting. Plus, Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist 2.1 system is available, bringing hands-free highway driving into the mix. Long road trips just got a lot more relaxing. But what really sets the Armada apart, in my opinion, is its balance between tech and practicality. While the QX80 uses touchscreens for climate controls, the Armada sticks with physical buttons for things like temperature and fan speed. Simple, intuitive, and no need to take your eyes off the road for basic functions. Nissan's really thought of every type of buyer with the new Armada, from the well-equipped SL, which is expected to be the best seller, to the off-road ready Pro 4X, and the luxurious Platinum Reserve. There's an Armada for every need and style. For those of you who love to push the boundaries, the Pro 4X is a standout, with its rugged enhancements and blacked-out aesthetic. Meanwhile, the Platinum Reserve brings a level of luxury that rivals anything in its class, with massaging front seats, head-up display, and gorgeous leather stitching that just screams sophistication. So, is the 2025 Armada worth it? Nissan hasn't yet spilled the beans on pricing, but we're expecting it to start around $66,000. That might sound steep for a Nissan, but once you see everything this SUV offers, it'll make sense. The Armada is as luxurious and feature-packed as it's ever been. Whether you're a family looking for a spacious, tech-forward SUV or an adventurer seeking something tough enough for off-road trails, the 2025 Nissan Armada has you covered. And there you have it. That's the all-new 2025 Nissan Armada in a nutshell, packed with innovation, loaded with power, and designed for families who want a little more out of their SUV. But hey, that's just our take. What do you think? We want to hear from you. Comment below and let us know your thoughts on the new Armada. Do you think it stacks up to the competition? Will you be considering one for your next ride? Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wheels Ford Drive for more in-depth reviews and daily videos on the latest cars, trucks, and SUVs. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.